Hi everybody, it's Sam Lazar from Sam Lazar Tech, and I'm going to be showing you how to make a new virtual desktop in Windows 10. But before we continue, all the opinions are my own. I pay for this computer and system and programs in my own funds. I've never been sponsored for any video. Let's continue on.
So what you need to do is click this little icon task view or Windows key tab. Once you get here, you have your open windows. So if I click new desktop and then I click desktop 2, you see there's no other programs open here. So if I make File Explorer window, then I go Windows key tab, I go desktop 1, see it's different. But a shortcut to do it, Control Windows key, which is the start button, left arrow and right arrow. The left will go down between desktop 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right arrow do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and so on. And to drag Windows between different desktops, I can drag it down here into desktop 1, make a new one, use that window, or desktop 1, and a little X in here to close it. If I click the X, then I select
Escape. I'm Sam. Thank you for watching and see ya.